Good afternoon, everybody. It's going to be filler number 4 for the air compressor. It's 10 at 279.
Hello.
Top spot wins one on demand. Want to copy our list?
Alright. I hadn't heard from Lee, Joe yet.
Go live.
Okay.
We're live at 431.
Alright.
It's 431. We're going to paste our list.
Okay.
Got 10 items on our list. We're going to roll the dice in 4 or higher. It's 431. We're going to roll the dice.
Okay.
Got an 8.
Back.
431 8 times. Here we go. That's 1. Still got 10 items on our list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After the 7th time, still got 10 items on our list. Dice calls for an 8. We got Danny Holland on top, Sonya and Sherman on bottom. You got to pull it up. We'll roll for our final time at 432. After the 8th time, we still got 10 items on our list. We got spot number 9, Danny Holland. You are the winner. Congratulations. Here's our verification code. It's 432. We're done. Done at 432. It's 432.